Hey, what's going on guys? Eric here from Eric and Miles, and today I'm going to be talking to you about what I believe is the best video camera you could get for $600 US. And that camera is this, the Sony A7, the original Sony A7. I bought this on eBay for $465, body only, and this lens, the Canon 14mm 2.8, for $200 used. And if you look, you can find great deals like this all over eBay. You just have to wait. So I don't want comments saying, oh, it's not that cheap, it's not, dude, this is $700. Like, yeah, normally you'll find it for like $500 to $700, but those people, they're just trying to get the most money they possibly can. Occasionally you'll find somebody just trying to sell it, and that's who I found. $465 for this camera is a steal at any price. It came with 2 batteries and a battery grip. I actually ended up selling the battery grip just because I didn't like the bulk on the bottom. Since then, I've purchased loads of batteries. This is only 5. I have a ton more in my bag. So let's get into the specs. So this is a 24 megapixel full frame camera. It can shoot 1080 60 and 24 frames a second, which is really great. With that 60 frames, if you want, you can slow it down to 25 and use optical flow. I do that a lot of the time. And with the pairing of the right lens, you can get some great images out of that. I've used this on like 3 weddings and countless trips, exploring photography trips. It's just amazing. I will show you examples of what I've gotten on the screen right now. So $400 for the body and $200 for the camera lens, and this is my lens of choice, 14mm 2.8. I just love wide angles. I know some people don't, that's fine. I have a bunch of other videos about budget other lenses. I have a 50mm 1.8 and 24 to 74, and those are some really great lenses too, but this is just my favorite. I just use this all the time. Another great thing about this camera is it is a downscaled 4K sensor, so it's actually shooting 4K, it just downscales it in camera to 1080 because it can't process that. If you have a 4K monitor hooked up, you can actually shoot 4K still images. It doesn't do much in my opinion. So a lot of people talk about how it only shoots AVC HD, and a lot of people like complain about that, but I've never had any trouble with that. I've had this for almost 7 months and I've had nothing go wrong with that. I haven't found anything. It handles LUTs amazing. I'll show a bunch of examples up right now, and it handles almost everything you throw at it. It's just an amazing camera. The low light on this is insane. It goes to 25,600, and then obviously it's unusable, but I found you can use this up to about 6,400 if you use just the little amount of noise reduction to clean that up. Other than that, I can't really think of any other flaws. Only flaw is the battery life, in my opinion. Autofocus is great for how old it is. You can't really expect that much from 6-year-old camera, but I know some people will complain about that. So yeah, $600, amazing camera. I will be doing a cinema rig, which I'm building right now. Some parts are coming in today. I'll be doing a video on that later. That's all I want to share right now. This is what I believe is the best camera you can get for $600 for video. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought this was helpful. Check out some of our other content. I have a lot of other videos about the Sony A7 up, probably some of my more popular videos. Yeah, see you next time. Peace.
At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go